The release of SYNERGi 5.8.2 introduces the Questionnaire collaboration feature. This allows you to invite other users to contribute to the questionnaire that you're working on. This video will cover the following: how to invite others to collaborate on a questionnaire, how you can contribute to a questionnaire, and managing your contributors. So first, let's look at how to invite others to collaborate on a questionnaire. When answering a questionnaire, you may require others to provide additional information or supporting material to a particular question. To invite someone to contribute to the questionnaire, click on the Contributors icon found to the right of the page. Alternatively, you can hover over the Contributors icon and click on the Invite Contributor hyperlink. In both cases, this will open up an Invite Contributor overlay, where you can provide the contact details of the person you wish to contribute to the questionnaire. Just a heads up, if you enter the details for a person who already has a SYNERGi account, then the platform will use their existing credentials. Clicking on Submit will then send out an email to the contributor, which contains a link to the questionnaire that they've been invited to collaborate on. An icon containing the contributor's initials will then appear on the right side of the page to indicate who is collaborating on the question that you are viewing. Just a heads up, the questionnaire collaboration process is on a question-by-question basis, meaning that when you invite a user to collaborate on a question, they will only be able to view the questions that they've been invited to contribute to. Also, if you are inviting someone to contribute on an authenticated questionnaire, then the contributor will have to complete the user registration procedure in order to access the secured questionnaire. You may need to invite a user to contribute to multiple questions within a questionnaire. To ensure contributors are not flooded with invite emails, they are sent just the one collaboration invite email, and they can then navigate between the questions that they have access to within their designated questionnaire view. Now let's look at how you can contribute to a questionnaire that you've been invited to collaborate on. You'll be notified of a contribution invite via email, where clicking on the hyperlink will navigate you to the question that you've been asked to contribute to. From here, there are several actions you can perform. You can provide a response to the question, or perhaps update a current response. You can provide supporting material to a question response. This could be in the form of a comment, an evidence file, or perhaps even a remediation action. Anything you do to a question is tracked within the activity section of the question view. Here you can see who did what and when. If you wish to correspond with other users who are also working on the question, then you can do so using the discussion section of the question view. Here you can leave messages to one another and engage in a discussion. Just a heads up, as stated earlier, please remember that you can only contribute to the questions that you've been invited to collaborate on. You will not be able to view the other questions. So now let's take a quick look at how to manage your contributors. As the main recipient of a questionnaire, you will have authority to invite as many users as you like to contribute to a question. You can also remove a contributor at any time and also resend the invitation email to a select user. To remove a contributor, you can either hover over their icon and click on the cross next to their name, or hover over the contributor's icon and click on the delete button next to the contributor that you wish to remove from the collaboration. In both cases, a pop-up notice will appear asking if you do indeed wish to remove this contributor from the questionnaire. Once removed, the contributor will receive an email informing them that their help is no longer required in the collaboration for this particular question. At some point, you may need to resend the collaboration invitation email to a certain contributor, perhaps as a gentle reminder. To do so, hover over the contributor icon and click on the resend button next to the name of the contributor that you wish to resend the invitation email to. And to finish on, here's a few other features that the questionnaire collaboration process can offer. Whenever a response is changed or a contributor opens the questionnaire, an on-screen notification will appear informing you of this update. If the questionnaire has undergone a pre-submission review and a question has been rejected, any rejection comments will appear within the rejection justification section. As the main recipient of the questionnaire, you will be able to view every question within the summary page. However, if you're a contributor, you will only be able to view the questions that you've been invited to collaborate on. That said, there is an option within the questionnaire settings page that allows the contributor to view every question within the summary page, not just those that they've worked on. Once every question has been answered and the questionnaire section has been completed, the collaboration will be treated as finished, and the contributors can no longer access the questionnaire. This has been a how-to video on the questionnaire collaboration process. If you have any other questions, please consult the user guide found within the platform. If you still need further assistance or have any additional questions that need answering, please contact the IRM support team. Thank you for watching.